Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and first of all, thank you very much for your support guys, and please subscribe my channel and share my videos as much as possible. So let us begin with today's topic, that is acceleration. Acceleration. When I listen this word, I recall that while driving I used to accelerate my car to run faster on road by pressing accelerator. So does it means that acceleration is gaining speed? The answer is no. एक्सेलरेशन का मतलब अपनी स्पीड को बढ़ाना नहीं होता है. अगर हम इस इवेंट को, दैट इज स्पीडिंग अप ऑफ कार, को ध्यान से समझें तो वी विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन वेरी वेल. लेट्स सपोज दिस कार इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट, मीन्स ये कार अभी रुकी हुई है और रेस्ट स्टेट से मोशन स्टेट में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही है. It means when the car was at rest, there was no motion in the car. अब जब कार रेस्ट पे थी तो उस पर कोई मोशन नहीं था, विच मीन्स कि उसकी वेलोसिटी या स्पीड जब वो रेस्ट पे थी ज़ीरो होगा, क्योंकि मोशन शो नहीं हो रहा है, मीन्स स्पीड भी नहीं है, कोई वेलोसिटी नहीं है. So when the driver of the car pressed the accelerator and gained the velocity, now we can notice here that our velocity has been changing from 0 to some value. Let's suppose when the driver has switched on the engine and started the car, it gains the velocity of 10 meter per second after 5 seconds. मतलब 5 सेकंड के बाद हमारी कार ने 0 मीटर पर सेकंड वेलोसिटी से 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड वेलोसिटी तक अपनी वेलोसिटी चेंज की है. अब इट मीन्स द टाइम टेकन बाय आवर कार टू चेंज इट्स वेलोसिटी फ्रॉम 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड to change its velocity from 0 meter per second to 10 meter per second is 5 seconds. So we can conclude here that with the help of the accelerator, the car has changed the velocity from 0 to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. This is the accelerator. Means change in velocity per unit time is our acceleration. So acceleration is represented by small a, and acceleration can be defined as rate of change of velocity, or acceleration is defined as change in velocity per unit time. Now from definition we can formulate our formula for acceleration, that is a is equals to acceleration is equals to change in velocity per unit time, and change in velocity has been represented by final velocity minus initial velocity. change in velocity का मतलब हमारी वेलोसिटी में कितना चेंज आया हमारी इनिशियल पॉइंट से फाइनल वेलोसिटी फाइनल पॉइंट के बीच में. सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट दिस चेंज बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग आवर इनिशियल वेलोसिटी फ्रॉम फाइनल वेलोसिटी, and then we have got the formula for acceleration, that is v minus u by t. Now SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and acceleration is a vector quantity, which means direction validates on acceleration, or change in direction can affect the acceleration. Let us now understand the calculation of acceleration with the help of some numericals. This car has traveled from point A to B in 5 seconds. And at point A, the velocity of car is 10 meter per second, and at point B, the velocity of car is 20 meter per second. Now we have to calculate acceleration here. अब ये बोला जा रहा है कि कार पॉइंट A से B पर गई है. इट मीन्स A हमारा इनिशियल पोजीशन है और B फाइनल पोजीशन. At A, the velocity will be initial velocity, that is u is equals to 10 meter per second, and at B the velocity is final velocity, that is V is equals to 20 meter per second, and time is given, that is 5 seconds. With the help of the formula we can calculate the acceleration, that is V minus u by t. After putting the value we have got that acceleration is equals to 20 minus 10 by 5. Now after final calculation our acceleration is calculated 2 meter per second square. Let us move towards our next numerical. In this case the car has came to the rest and travel from point A to B again. Now इस केस में हमारी कार रेस्ट में आई है, चलते हुए रुक गई है, और पॉइंट ए से बी तक की हम बात करते हैं, मीन्स पॉइंट ए से बी पर आते आते हमारी कार रेस्ट में चली गई है. नाउ एट पॉइंट बी द कार इज एट रेस्ट, मीन्स कार इज having no motion, no velocity, no speed. It means our final velocity will be 0 and velocity at point A is 30 meter per second. We have to again calculate acceleration. So u is equals to 30, v is equals to 0 and time is again 5 seconds. After using the formula A is equals to v minus u by t, we can calculate our acceleration and the final value of our acceleration is minus 6 meter per second, because final velocity हमारी 0 है और initial velocity हमारी 30 है. When we subtract 0 minus 30, तो we will get that acceleration is in negative. So in this case our acceleration is minus 6 meter per second square. Now एक और केस है, अभी हमारी कार स्टॉप हुई थी, चलते चलते रुकी थी, बट अगर हमारी कार रुकी हुई स्टार्ट हो, मीन्स द कार इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस, तो इन दिस केस अवर इनिशियल वेलोसिटी विल बी 0 बिकॉज इनिशियली हमारी कार रेस्ट पर थी. So u will become 0 here. Now with the help of these few numericals we have understood that acceleration can be positive and negative also, because in numerical 1 we have found that the acceleration is positive and numerical 2 we have calculated that acceleration is minus 6 meter per second square, that is negative. So negative acceleration, अगर हमारा acceleration negative है तो उस acceleration को हम बोलेंगे deceleration. Negative acceleration is also known as deceleration. So here is the end of the concept of acceleration. Hope you all have understood well. Thank you very much and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye everyone.